looking for whittle information about which whittling kit to get. So was I, which is why I went through a few dozen of the most popular packages to find out the details that matter most. Why do I do it? For the love of tools. Plus, it's my job. These reviews will give you a good idea of which one is best for you. The last sections have some useful tips on tools, brands, and how to get started. These are the top 8 best whittling kit for beginners money can buy. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best whittling kit for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FlexCut Beginner Palm and Knife Set. This set is my number 1 choice. FlexCut makes the best tools at this price point. Out of all the brands on this list, FlexCut's blades stay sharp longer, last longer, and cut better. The next level of quality is going to cost at least twice as much. The blades are hard enough to keep an edge yet flexible enough to make whittling safe and easy. Follow the link and you'll see a few different kits. My review is on the palm and knife set, but all the seats are good for beginners and pros. This set comes with a slide knife, detail knife, and 2 gouges. The flex steel has enough flexibility so the knife doesn't go flying through the wood. This prevents the wood from splitting and cutting. Beavercraft makes great wood carving tools, but FlexCut handles are more comfortable. They also have better edge retention. The handles don't have a super smooth finish, but it doesn't matter too much with safety gloves. I recommend this set if you don't mind spending a little extra. Number 2. Beavercraft Deluxe Wood Carving Kit S18X. I went back and forth trying to decide whether I like this Beavercraft set more than FlexCut. For one, the vintage look is breathtaking. The leather roll-up storage wrap has a vintage feel. The chocolate walnut finish on the handles is beautiful. The leather is nicer than I thought it would be. It will definitely age well. This kit is a great gift because it's stylish and practical. It comes with all 8 of Beaver's carving knives as well as a stropping kit. The handle feels good in my bare hands, and the blades easily cut through softwood. Beaver knows their market well. This kit is safe for beginners, good for advanced carvers, and affordable. Number 3. Beavercraft S15 Whittling Wood Carving Kit. If the deluxe Beavercraft set is too much, the S15 might be more your speed. I can't say enough about how cool these knives are for beginners. You don't need any more than 1 knife to start, but 3 seems to be the magic number. This kit comes with a 1/1/4 inch cutting knife, a 1/1/2 inch detail knife, and a roughing knife. You also get a canvas storage bag and a stropping kit. When you buy it, you'll gain access to free whittling ebooks with instructions on how to take care of your knives. The blades will slice right through basswood and softer pine with ease. I recommend sharpening your knives before you use them. However, mine were razor sharp and ready to go right out of the box. This kit is full of all the essential wood carving tools to get on the horse. Grab some wood, a pair of gloves, and whittle away. Number 4. Wood Whittling Kit with Basswood Wood Blocks Gifts. Here's a handy dandy budget-friendly kit. What I like about this kit is that it comes with wood and gloves. It also includes a carrying case and a strap plus the polishing compound. You can buy these things separately, but you'll save money with the package deal. The blades are not going to stay sharp as long as Beavercraft's, but keep in mind these knives are half the price. The handles are pretty big and they work well for left or right-handed whittlers. My hands are large so I didn't have any issues, but people with smaller hands might find them uncomfortable. Another issue is that the blades lose their edge quickly. However, they work great as long as you keep the blades sharp. This is true for any mid-range blade you'll come across. All in all, this kit is a great value. I recommend this for any beginner on a budget or as a gift. Number 5. Elixir Wood Carving Tools for Beginners. The Elixir carving tools are the best value on this list. For under $30 you get everything you need. A slide knife, hook knife, mini detail knife, safety gloves, stropping kit, storage bag, sharpening stone, blade protectors, and 1 blank. This kit is very similar to the previous one, except I like the handles better. I'm guessing it was made in China, but I couldn't find any information on where the knives were made. Having said that, I'm impressed with the quality of the steel. They handle a lot like a Beavercraft. The blades on the knives are fairly long compared to most beginner kits, which usually range from 1 inch to 2 inches. Longer blades are useful if you are carving larger pieces of wood, and the Elixir slide knife is 3 inches long. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.